Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. So last week we talked a little bit about on-page SEO with Yoast, and this week I'm talking to you about off-page SEO, which I take a look at with this tool right here. It's called SEM Rush, and they have upgraded accounts. I'm on the free account for right now because it works for me. But you can see here is all I did was add my address here and clicked search, and it gave me this really awesome report. So it can show me what are the top keywords that I'm ranking for in Google. I had a guest post last month for arthritis, and for some reason it's really ranking well for that. So I can see that in my keywords. It's showing my different competitors according to Google, what they think my website looks like, and clearly we need to do a little bit of work because that's not what I want to be known for. In Google, I want to be known for WordPress. So it kind of guides me to show me what I need to base my content on a little bit as well. Okay, so the next thing I look at when I come here is organic research. So what this does is it gives me a little graph of how my website is doing. And it goes back the last few years, which is really helpful. So here I can see like my website's had some up and downs, and I can see like, okay, this is where I was being really good with my marketing, and this is where I was not being so good with my marketing. This is where I had some interviews and stuff came out on me, and that's when I started building some of my backlinks too. So still I can see here, October's still new. So we've done a lot of work on the SEO in the background, so I'm hoping that later on in the month, this is gonna shoot right up. She'll be fun to watch. Again, shows me a little bit longer about what keywords I'm showing up for. That arthritis article really got me good. So I need to take a look at that article and maybe update it a little bit and see how I can tailor that to make sure that the right audience is coming to. What I also love about this is it tells me my traffic cost. This is essentially what I would have had to pay in ads to get the traffic that I'm getting, and I got it for free thanks to my SEO. So this can show you also pages, the most popular pages. This is a good one to check out. There we go. So this can show me the most popular pages on my website that are ranking right now. See, exercise and arthritis. This is the article right here that everyone seems to be clicking for. My home page is ranking. There's some other guest posts in here. My videos are ranking, which is good. There's different blog posts in here. This is a good one, WordPress or Squarespace. I want to be ranking for that. So now I know I can take a look at this article, and maybe there's something I can do to this article to kind of bump it up a little bit. And maybe I can republish it, or I can upgrade it, whatever works. So the last thing I'll show you is here in backlinks. So this right here shows other websites that are linking to my website. So this shows me the total backlinks, and most of them are text. Some people have images that link to my website. A lot of them are coming from the US. And it shows you the link, like what they're actually saying. The importance of brand ambassadors is one article that I've gotten a backlink for. So they're linking to that article that I have on my website. Obviously my name, EGM, my website, my brand name, all that's doing really well also, which is nice. And it's showing me my authority score, which is good. So I would like to see that going up. I would like to see myself being more of an authority on my website as well. And this will show me also, I think, the individual links that are going through. So my top one is from Rebecca. She is one of my top ones right here from Bird Habitat. Oh, we haven't had a doggy intro in a while at one of these videos. She is one of my top ones here. And let's see who else. So there's some really good things that she said she's there's some really good things that we can add on here.
that will be helpful. Also, we can look at, are these good things that are linking to us? So some of these links maybe we shouldn't be linking to, and we can contact them to take us off. Okay, so that's a little bit about SEM Rush and how I use it to check my off-page SEO on my website. All right, everyone, I will see you next week. Bye.